Hey, is your credit card charged twice and you wonder exactly how can I solve this issue? Okay, so I've seen a lot of people ask this in our community, and the ask is what can I do if my credit card is being charged twice for the same transaction? So in case you're being charged twice for the same transaction, then just follow the steps below that I'm gonna be listing out and explaining. So possibly you'll be able to solve this issue. Okay. So now, possibly, the a lot of people have experienced this problem, and the first thing you want to do is to review your statements. Okay, so you want to verify if the charge is indeed duplicated by checking your credit card statement. Okay, so you want to ensure that both charges are for the same amount and date. Okay, so review your statement first before you decide to take any action by verifying that the charge is indeed duplicated, and also by checking your credit card statement and ensuring that both charges are for the same amount and date. Okay, so the second thing you want to do is to contact the merchant. Okay, so you want to reach out to the merchant where the purchase was made, and you want to try to explain the situation and provide details such as the transaction dates, the amount, and any kind of reference numbers. Okay, so because often merchants can quickly reverse the duplicate charges. Okay, so reach out to the merchant and explain the situation and provide details like the data amounts, because all these things are what they are going to be asking from you. So you want to be able to provide them and don't just look dumb okay when they're asking. So you want to have that before you decide to even contact the merchant. So just like I said, make sure that the transaction date, the amount, and any reference number is there. Okay, so get the receipt of the transaction so you can show it to the merchant. Okay, so also gathering evidence is also very important. So in case it happens and you realize that things can go south, so you want to collect any relevant documentation that supports your claim, such as receipts and order of confirmation. Okay, and also any communication with the merchant. So these are the things you need to gather together. So even if it's a voice call, you want to record your voice so that whenever you are talking, have it recorded, and this can serve as an evidence for you in case maybe the merchant doesn't solve the issue and things wanna go south, right? And the next thing you want to do in case you contact the merchant, um possibly if you contact the merchant, you should be able to solve that. But if not, you want to reach out to your credit card issuer. Okay. So in case the merchant is unable or unwilling to resolve the issue, so you want to contact your credit card issuer, using the customer service number on the back of your card. If you check the back of your credit card, you're gonna see the customer service number there. You can use that to reach out to your credit card issuer, and you can report the duplicate charge and provide them with evidence that you've gathered. Okay. So use that to report it and provide the evidence that you have gathered. All right. So this way you'll possibly be able to get back your money, okay, and prevent any future duplicated charges. Okay. And you can also go ahead and dispute the charge. So you can formally dispute the charge with your credit card issuer. So you can follow their process, but it's gonna involve you submitting some written form and also supporting documents. Okay, so that is very important for you to put into consideration, and try as much as possible to also monitor your account. So you can regularly check your credit card statements to ensure that the duplicate charge is reversed and also there are no further errors that have occurred. All right, so it's very important. All right, you can set up account alert for any transaction, and consider setting up account alerts. So this will help you out in case of any kind of future errors to occur. Okay, to prevent future errors to occur. And just like I said, please always make sure that you document everything. Keep detailed record of all communications with merchants and even your credit card issuer. Keep detailed record of all communications with them. Okay, so like the dates, time, names of representatives, and also summaries of your conversation. Okay, and also please make sure that you check for any impact on your account to ensure that you disputing the charge does not affect any legitimate transactions, okay, or service that you may have with the merchant. This is very important because several people have dispute charge and they realize that the service they have with the merchant has stopped, and they are no more getting the service. So you want to make sure that everything is still continuing and there is no hiccup anywhere. All right. And always make sure that you follow up. Don't just sit back and relax. Stay in contact with your credit card issuer to ensure that the dispute is being handled and resolved. Okay. So make sure you follow up periodically. If you do not receive updates, keep following up with them. Send them email. Hey, hello, have you guys done my stuff and all that? So let them know that you are still very much interested in them solving the problem. Okay. So reach out to them ASAP and don't just sit back and relax. Okay. So some additional consideration can be also maybe you've done online purchase. So if the duplicate charge is related to an online purchase, you can check the merchant's website for their policies on billing errors, okay, and double charges. So you can check out their policy and see, okay, regarding billing errors and double charges. So please check it out. If it's an online purchase, do that. Look at their terms and policies. And also, as an authorized user, you want to verify if any authorized user on your account might have made a similar purchase, okay, which can lead to the duplicate charge, okay. So this is very much paramount, okay, to you being able to get back your money, okay. So in case you're being charged twice, please try as much as possible, okay, to follow all the steps that I've talked about, and you'll be able to resolve this issue easily, okay. And the best thing you want to do also is to make sure that you first review the statement and go ahead. If it's online purchase, go ahead to the policy of the website that purchase from, and look at if there's any policy there that talks about you know uh the billing errors and double charges. Okay, so that way you'll be able to know what you're up against. All right. At least if you've experienced anything like you've been charged twice for your on your credit card, and there's something that you've done, you can also let us know the measures that you've taken into consideration and which worked for you. So possibly you can type it in the comment box, and other people also will be able to learn from you and possibly use it also to solve their own issue. All right. And if there's any of the steps that I've talked about here that work for you, maybe after watching this video, you took all the steps serious and you go ahead, apply, and one or two of it work for you. You can also let us know in the comment box. Possibly it also help other people to make the best decision and also, adopt the best measures out there. Thank you very much for your time. I'm gonna see you in another video review or tutorial. And I wish you the best of luck. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because when you subscribe, it motivates me to keep creating video tutorials just like this. And also, when you like this video, it helps the video to reach more people on YouTube. And also, commenting your thoughts also helps other people to learn more, and also makes this more conversational. All right. So this is just me helping you, and also what people tell me from my group. I just come here to create tutorials on it, so that is why I'm happy to do this. So please always make sure that you support by subscribing to help me to keep doing this the more. Thank you very much. Peace, and you have a nice day. Bye.